People don't understand. They have an innovation, cuts 15% of the gasoline use, jet fuel, principal costs of airlines. Greg Hayes talked about it this morning. This is an actual share taker. And a lot of people are worried about GE. My chapter trust owns GE. I tell you, United Technology, this is a better engine, and they're winning business. Caterpillar, the reason why the stock is not getting hammered, even though they guided revenue down, is because they're making a huge amount of money, even the fourth bad year. So what you have to say to yourself is, if this is how they do in a bad time, what could they do in a good time? I think oil's bottoming here. Why do I say that? Because Schlumberger, which we own Fractional Alerts, basically said, look, this is it. You have 900,000 barrels taken out. The demand is going higher. Other than two countries in the Middle East, no one's really drilling that much. They say it's unsustainable. I'm with Schlumberger saying that we're getting a bottom here, not a V bottom like Core Labs, but a kind of gentle bottom, and therefore I'm not as concerned about oil prices because I'm going with slob. All right, Gilead was purely disappointing in there because they have this Hep-C franchise, and it basically peaked. And they told you it peaked, and now it's going to be on a slow path down. And when you hear that, it's basically become something that unless they buy some company, it's just going to be what some people regard as a wasting asset. I think it's a great company. Look at the ramp. They basically went from $7 billion in sales to $30 billion in sales, but that is not what determines a drug stock. What determines a drug stock, like Texas Instruments, by the way, what determines a semiconductor company, is you need growth. And they basically said their growth slowing. Texas Instruments up big because they said their growth could be accelerating because of autos. Verizon did not get the ads that we want, but I thought was very interesting was that they talked very lovingly about becoming a mobile media company. And that's what Yahoo's doing. It's a way to be able to become more than just a cell phone company. I think they feel that way because Sprint had a remarkable quarter. Remarkable, and I'm glad Marcel Claret credited me that he was so happy to win me over. But the fact is that Sprint's quarter was much better than Verizon's. They had 180,000 ads. I look at the ads. That's far better than Verizon. And look, Verizon's doing well. But I understand why it wants to do Yahoo. It wants to keep its flank protected.